Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford Fiesta seat tilt handle. First, carefully inspect the handle to see if it feels loose or if it has completely come off the seat. Next, gently pull the handle to feel for any resistance, which indicates if the internal cable is still attached. Finally, try to determine if the cable itself is broken or if it has simply become dislodged from its connection point, as this will guide your repair. This initial diagnosis is crucial for a successful fix. Now, let's get to the heart of the problem. You'll need to carefully remove the plastic trim cover that surrounds the seat tilt handle. Often, a small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated trim removal tool can help you gently pry it off without causing damage. Once the trim is off, you will clearly see the cable attachment point and the underlying seat tilt mechanism. Take your time with this step to avoid breaking any clips. If your cable is merely dislodged, carefully reattach its end to the handle or the seat mechanism. Ensure it's seated securely to prevent it from coming loose again. However, if the cable is broken, you will need a replacement. Measure the old cable's length accurately, typically around 20 to 25 inches, to ensure you purchase the correct part. Once you have the new cable, thread it through and secure both ends firmly. With the cable repaired or replaced, it's time for reassembly. Carefully align the plastic trim cover back over the seat handle and mechanism. Make sure all the clips align perfectly before gently pressing it into place until it snaps securely. Finally, thoroughly test the seat tilt function several times. Pull the handle and tilt the seat forward and backward to ensure smooth operation and that the handle engages correctly every single time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.